Hey y'all. Well, welcome to day 5. You have officially made it to our last day of 5 days together. And most importantly, you are completing your first ever college class, which is kind of awesome. I know this class was much different than many of the classes that you will take, but I think this class does a good job of helping kind of like set the tone for what to expect while you're here at GCC. So I just wanted to first of all congratulate you for completing 5 days, or you're now at the beginning of your 5th day. And all of you, I've been very impressed with like what a wonderful group you've all been so far. So I just wanted to say I think that you all will be very successful here at GCC. And I wanted to just take a minute to show you what you're responsible for on our last day together. So basically, you do have one extra thing, that you have to work on as opposed to the normal days because it's our final day. Day 5 is really focusing on stuff that's, like, not as exciting, like academic integrity and understanding AI, right? AI is kind of a new thing, and the integrity of the work that you submit in college is really, really important, so we talk about that. We have some issues on, like, campus safety, some issues on financial aid. So financial aid's a big question for some of you. So, being a part of Promise Plus, you have to submit a financial aid application to be a part of Promise Plus. But you might get additional types of financial aid from what you've submitted, so that's really important. Etiquette, kind of like how to behave in school, right? My best advice as a college student is show up on time, sit in the front row, make eye contact with your professor, be engaged, all of that stuff. It's a fresh, clean slate coming to GCC. So you have 4 things you're responsible for. So you have your typical daily things, which is one learning checkpoint with some questions. That quizzes on like academic integrity and campus safety and financial aid. And then you have a discussion on college policies. It's kind of boring stuff. And then the assignment is actually really easy because all of you have probably already done this or hopefully already done this, which is just showing proof that you've submitted your financial aid application. So in lieu of this, because this is kind of like not really anything you have to do, you have a final paper that you're going to work on. So the final paper really is meant to talk about what are some key takeaways from our 5 days together. I know it was quick, and I know, y'all probably didn't have a bunch of time to put into this class because of everything else you have going on, but want to know what some things that you kind of are taking away from this class. And then you'll answer some questions. So I have here provide examples of what you're taking away from the course relating to each of these topics. So these are all the topics we've talked about in the last 5 days. So pause and reflect on your experience in our summer bridge class, the knowledge you've gained, and what you hope to accomplish during your first year at GCC. So there's basically 4 questions I want you to respond to. So one, what is one goal you would like to accomplish during your first year at GCC, and what campus resource can help you achieve this goal? 2, what are 2 new things you learned this week? Choose from topics not included on the list above. 3, looking at your class schedule for the fall, what are some of your thoughts, feelings, or concerns with the classes you'll be taking? And number 4, anything else you would like to share regarding your summer bridge experience? Positive or negative, doesn't matter. Anyways, that's all for our class. I just want to tell you all I'm so just impressed with the quality of work that you've all done and shared with me. So I'm looking forward to working with you all throughout your time here at GCC. I'm around if you ever want to meet, if you want to schedule an appointment, I would be happy to work with any of you. So I just wanted to tell you well done, and so happy you officially made it to day 5. So have a good one all. Nice working with all of you.